Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We are going to start the webinar, the second webinar from the TImPANI project that is hosted by University of Jaen. First of all, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the effort made by all of the presenters that they have been preparing their presentations. I appreciate it. And I also would like to thank for all those that have interest in attending to the webinar. Probably the agenda was not circulated to everyone. Anyway, here in the slide in my screen share, you have the agenda, and in first place, I would like to give the floor to Pambos, that is the TImPANI project manager, and he will give you the welcome and give you some information.
Okay. Well, good morning, everybody. Let me see. How do I share here? One. Let me see. How do I share the screen? Juan.
You have to present. First of all, I have to leave the. No, you can. You should be able now.
I see. Turn on microphone. Let me see. Turn off camera. Present now. Okay. Okay, your entire screen. Let's do this. Share. Okay, so you should be able to see the. You should be able to see the screen now. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome you to this webinar. Thank you for being here. And I'll just give a very brief overview of what this project is all about and how this webinar fits into that. This webinar is part of the TImPANI project. The TImPANI project is a Horizon 2020 project with three partners: the University of Cyprus in Cyprus, the University of Jaen in Spain, and the Leibniz Institute of Analytical Chemistry in Dortmund, Germany. What this project is all about is bringing three different competencies together so that we can investigate applications of plasma science. So we have numerical modeling and optimization of sources from the University of Cyprus. This is our expertise, is in numerical simulations. Then we have the building and characterizing of these devices from ISAS in Germany, and then the development of applications from Jaen. In a very sort of brief way, our main scientific goal is the deep understanding of ionization as it is completed by atmospheric plasma devices. Using that knowledge that we'll be gaining, we want to use that to optimize devices for analytical chemistry applications. And this is where this webinar fits in, where we'll be investigating ionization technologies and methods. Some of the upcoming events for this project TImPANI that would be of interest to the people viewing this webinar will be research trainings that we have at ISAS, University of Jaen and Cyprus. We have another 2 PhD summer schools that they will take place hopefully this summer and next summer. We have the 2 webinars. The second one is done right now, and then the third one will be done by ISAS in roughly about a year. Those will be completed. And we will have the thematic workshops at University of Cyprus. It is scheduled to take place in April of this year. Maybe it will be moved to June due to travel restrictions. So with this, I would like to thank you very much for your attention. Wish you that you would enjoy this webinar. And for any, I would direct you to the website of the project, which is TImPANI.eu. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Pambos. The first, so let's thank you very much for the introduction. Let's move to the first speaker, that is Alexander Nodel from ISAS Institute. So the floor, Alexander.